Hola, estudiantes. It's Mrs. Santiago here, and today I'm going to take the notes. Hola, estudiantes. It's Mrs. Santiago here, and today we're going to take the notes for querer. I'm in your OneNote, Chapter 3, Querer Notes. I'm going to eliminate the table of contents and make the notes page big so you can see what I'm doing. So let's start at the top in the cream-colored box, the verb querer. What is the meaning of querer? The infinitive always starts with the word to. Querer means to want. To want. What is the conjugation rule? Querer is a stem change verb, stem changing. Okay? It changes from E to IE. What are the endings? This is an ER verb. So it's O, ace, A, amos, N. What are the steps to conjugating? It is a chop, change, add. What am I chopping off? I'm going to chop off the ER ending. I'm going to do a change from E to IE. And then I'm going to add these endings back in. Let's go ahead and put it on the chart. I like to move the verb down closer to the chart again so that I can see what I'm working with. Okay, let's go through the steps. So chop, what am I left with? Quer. But wait, don't put it on the chart yet. I need to make a change. So I'm going to do the stem change right here. So let's do the change. Quer. 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 And then I'm going to go down here. Quer. And now I'm going to go back to the original stem. Quer. Okay, now let's add in the endings of the verb querer. Okay, so remember, yo ends in O. Yo quiero. Two. I like to say you have two big toes. Then I can remember two big toes. Toes ends in S, and so does this one. Tú quieres. Él, ella, usted. One person, one vowel, and it takes the E from the ER ending. Remember, you could also say Juan quiere. Muy bien. Let's go over to nosotros. Os, queremos. Nosotros queremos. Vosotros, only in Spain. Ellos, ellas, ustedes. Any two or more people, I think of ir, right? They go in the van. That reminds me that this is an N one. So, quieren. Ellos quieren. Muy bien. Now we know that the boot symbol reminds us that queremos is kicked out. So let's go ahead and draw in our footwear. Okay, I'm going to do it with a highlighter. Okay, I do like to give it its tie so I remember. Okay, muy bien. Let's continue with the notes. We call this pattern of verb change a boot verb. Draw it in. Check. We already did with yellow highlighter. Let's read the note. Note, you can use querer with items to say what you want, but you can also use querer with a verb to say what you want to do. Okay, so this is things, and this is activities. Okay, let's look at the two examples. Yo quiero jugar al tenis. ¿Qué es esto en inglés? Okay, this is I want. And remember, jugar, full infinitive. To play tennis. I want to play tennis. Okay, so this is an activity. Let's look at the next one. Yo quiero un teléfono nuevo. I want un teléfono nuevo. A new phone. This is a thing. Okay. Remember on the video, we said, okay, I'm going to write this out here. When two verbs go walking, the first one does the talking. Okay, that's Mrs. Santiago's way of saying when you put two verbs next to each other, okay, the second one is always in the infinitive. Okay, this is just to remind us the second one stays in the full verb. If you said yo quiero juego, you would say I play tennis. And that's not what you want to say. You want to say I want to play. To get the to play, we need the full infinitive. All right. So now we have some practice with querer. You can see that querer is being used for all of these. There are 8 of them. I will do 2 with you, and then that will leave you 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to do on your own, and then we'll review them together later. Okay, so let's go ahead. I'm going to do the first one with you. Los muchachos blank jugar al fútbol americano. So remember the 3 steps, okay? 3 steps. Step number 1, okay? I am going to chop. It's my chopper. I'm going to chop. I'm going to change. And then I'm going to add. Okay, so as I'm chopping, all right, los muchachos, now I have to change. So I'm going to do a queer. 2 or more muchachos. Let's go back up to the chart. What's the right ending? En. Los muchachos quieren jugar al fútbol americano. Muy bien. Let's go on to número 2. John blank ir al cine Regal. John. One person. Let's go through the steps. We have to chop. Okay, so chop. Did it. Change. queer. John is one person. Let's go up and look. It ends in an E. John quiere ir al cine Regal. All right, muy bien. So now you've got to do 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When you're done, please do not forget to do this step. Okay, that is not a great star, but I'll just keep doing it until it looks more like a star. Okay, at the bottom in the blue, it says, now go back to the sentences above and circle the numbers of the sentences that express wanting to do an action. Just like we did in the sample, we labeled it A for action or T for thing. You don't have to worry about the T for thing. You are only going to, you could circle or I guess maybe highlight in green. Okay, actions. Okay, guys, I hope that helps with the notes for querer. Gracias.